Tired of boring old dinners? This recipe will add a surprise to your next meal. Here's what you'll need. 1 chef, 1 lobster, a big pot of water, a bike. Now follow these simple instructions. 1. Tell the chef to boil a large pot of water. If the water won't boil, ask the chef to look away, because some pots get self-conscious and won't boil if they think they're being watched. 2. Ask the chef to put the lobster in the boiling water. 3. Watch as the lobster jumps out of the chef's hand and scurries across the floor. The chef will probably be annoyed and mutter something like, "My dad told me to be a lawyer, but no, I have to be a chef." 4. Follow the chef as he chases the lobster across the kitchen and corners the lobster in the hallway. 5. Watch as the lobster jumps down the laundry chute and the chef groans and says, "I'm too old for chasing lobsters down laundry chutes." 6. Run outside and watch as the lobster speeds off on a scooter. 7. Ride your bike after the chef, who is running after the lobster. 8. Catch up to the chef and the lobster as they run into another house. 9. Smile as all of the chef's friends jump out and yell, "Surprise!" 10. Join in as the lobster, the chef's friends, and the pot of water sing happy birthday to the chef. 11. Clap as the chef says, "Wow, I'm so surprised." 12. Eat whatever dinner they have at the surprise party. For more delicious recipes, subscribe to the Journal of Nonsense.